Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. Are you having problems with your Instagram followers dropping and you want to be able to fix this issue? Well then this video is going to be perfect for you because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how you can actually fix this. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your Instagram app and then come to your profile right here as you can see. And now when you're on your profile, then what you're going to do, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to view these options right here. So what you're going to do on this page is to just click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy, and it should now take you to this page. Now on this page, scroll down until you can see where it says help. And that is exactly where you need to click. So click on help. And then you're going to click where it says report a problem. And then once again, click on report a problem. Click on include and continue, and now you should be taken to this page right here. So now you need to write exactly like this to the Instagram support to be able to fix this issue. So you're going to write like this: I am having problems with my Instagram followers dropping. I need this to be fixed. Fixed. Yeah, perfect. So basically you need to write like this: I'm having problems with my Instagram followers dropping. I need this to be fixed. And then click on send in the top right corner. And now you need to wait 24 to 48 hours for the Instagram support to be able to see that you have actually reported this to them. And hopefully after 24 to 48 hours, this problem will be fixed for you.